Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In this video I'm going to show you how to do some tortoiseshell inspired nails. Right, so these nails are already prepped acrylic. They're an old set that I've just backfilled. So if you were going to do it on natural nails, you'd need to prep, dehydrate, base coat, and then go in with a colour. But I'm going straight in with a colour. Right, so I'm going to do a mixture of Warm Fire, Tangerine Twist, and top coat. I'm going to put that in a palette and mix them together to make like a translucent colour. Right, so I'm going to try and make this type of colour. I tested it out earlier. So I've used the top coat and a little bit of the Tangerine Twist, mixing it in. And then a little bit of Warm Fire. So I'm going to use the Neo Nails flat number 6. We want a really like translucent coat. You want to be able to see through it. Push it up towards the cuticle. Get it as close as you can, because you can always go in with a slightly smaller brush. So I use the 01 brush just to make sure I can get close in that cuticle. Right, and pop that under the lamp for 60 seconds please, because we've got top coat mixed in. I'm going to go in with my second coat of the yellowy orange. I'm not going to cure this. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Bonsai and a little bit of black. Mix it together on a palette. You get like a chocolatey brown. Pop it into the uncured gel, and you just kind of want it to disperse a little bit. Pop it on the lamp, 30 seconds please. Back in with the orange, creamy, yellowy colour. There's a lot of layers for this design, so make sure they're nice and thin. Yep, pop that back under the lamp, 30 seconds please. Right, so now I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat. I'm not going to cure it, just using it as another layer. Go in with the black and just pop it not over the middle. Just want it on the sides of where the brown is. So you can see that there's like a few layers to it. Clean up those edges. I'm just leaving it for a second because then it'll spread out a little bit more, and you can always move it around because it's uncured. There you go. Once you're happy with that, pop it under for 60 seconds please. So I'm not going to top coat that because I'm going to do the other fingers now. I'm going to use the Tangerine Twist and Warm Fire just so it complements the tortoise shell. I really like this colour because it's not too yellow. Is it like mustardy? Yeah. I'm going to use Tangerine Twist for this one. Okay, don't forget to cap that free edge. And pop it under the lamp for 30 seconds please. Right, so I'm going to go in with my second coat of Tangerine Twist. And then Warm Fire. pop them under the lamp, 30 seconds please. So now I'm done with these 4 fingers, so I'm going to top coat these. And pop them under the lamp for 1 minute please. So I'm going to do the same design on the thumb, just so it's a nice set. So using some of the Warm Fire Tangerine Twist and the top coat, as I did on the ring finger before, just apply up towards that cuticle, drag down, cap it. If you don't want the edge lifting, because that's the main place where it's going to lift off. Pop that under the lamp for 60 seconds please. Going to go in with my second coat of the colour that I've mixed. Nice and thin because there's probably about 5 layers on this design. And then I've mixed, is it Bonsai and black? Right, I'm happy with that. Pop that under lamp. How long? 30 seconds please. Right, so now I'm going to cover this design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. I'm not going to cure it, using the black. Again, just offsetting the colour a little bit. Blab it on. So once you're happy with its markings, you can pop it under the lamp for a minute. So now I'm going to go in with my final coat of the Urban Graffiti top coat. Seal the design in and pop it under another minute please. So now I'm going to rehydrate the nails with the Neo Nails coconut cuticle oil. Right, so here I've done a set of tortoise shell nails using lots of layers and top coat and mixing all the colours together. So I hope you enjoy and give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and all the products are listed below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!